Hello! Some people know about this already on my Weight Washer Facebook profile. It's my new John Lewis dryer, which I've used for a couple of weeks now. Yeah. Let's open it up. I don't have a basket, I just throw it on my bed. And the filter. And then drum light, alarm, cliff filter number 2. This is the main one. That's secondary, and then find that. The third one. Finally, the water tank. With a stop in it. Well, see this blue thing here? That is a spout, and it acts as a bit of a water stop, just to stop water accidentally flowing out. Water can flow out if you accidentally tip it, but at least it stops it all splashing out when you're getting it out. That's half full at the minute, and that's on a full load of towels. It's a 4 litre thing. Right, and there's the best part. John Lewis, A rated, A++ rated. It's a heat pump dryer. Right. We'll put it to one side so it's need to empty it out. Your extra dry, store dry, cupboard dry, damp dry, iron dry cottons, extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry synthetics, mix, time, heavy cotton, easy iron, delicate, wool, back off, delicate, now I'm going to put it on there, delicate, intensive, anti-crease, alarm, and it's also got a delay start. Sounds like a fire alarm going off there. And down there is the drying baskets, which I use, which I haven't used yet, and a connection pipe there if you want it direct draining. It dries well, but I don't think the build quality is as well as the Hot Point. I know people are going to go, what? It's a John Lewis, like, it's an Electrolux dryer. Well, I'll show you one day what I mean by it. Alright, that's my overview of my John Lewis dryer. Oh, and it's also got child lock, apparently. Which I can't activate yet because it's not going. I'll show you one. Oh no, there you are, did it. Turn it on. And now it won't let me do it. Won't let me start. Alright, see you later. This is people.